Sawadee krap! Hello students, good morning. How are you today? I am teacher Danielle and today our subject is English. So our topic for today is still about simple activities. Now this is the lesson 5 of this week's topic and this is the last topic for this week. So our topic is about simple activities. Now, before we begin our topic, or before we continue our topic, let's have a review first. Now, do you guys remember the vocabularies we've learned so far? It's okay if you don't remember because we will recall them one by one, so don't worry. Okay, so these are the vocabularies we've learned. One, two, three, four, five, six. So I'm gonna pronounce them one by one. You can repeat after me if you want. Okay? Play outside. Play outside. So the children here are playing outside. Take a nap. Take a nap. So the boy here is sleeping outside. Watch TV. Watch TV. So the guy right here is watching TV. This is the TV. Go shopping. Go shopping. The girl here is carrying some shopping bags. She went shopping. Play video games. Play video games. Now, this guy here and this little girl are both playing games. So, video games. And then the last vocabulary is practice the piano. Practice the piano. So the little girl here is practicing piano. This is the piano, a musical instrument. All good? Now let's move on to the next slide. So our topic for today is we are going to go through questions about weekend activities. So do you know what is a weekend? So a weekend means this meant for the days on the weekend, which are Saturdays, and Sunday. Now these are weekends. Saturdays and Sundays. Now let's give you an example of what question we're going to talk about. So this is the question, an example. What does she do on the weekend? What does she do on the weekend? The answer is she plays outside. So because that is what the photo is suggesting. So the girl here is playing outside. So you can say she plays outside. She plays outside. So that came from our vocabulary play outside. So we just added she because this is a girl, and then we added also s so it could agree with the singular the singular subject. So when the verb is play and we use it in a singular subject, it becomes plays. Okay? So this is our subject, which is a singular subject, and we use a singular verb also to agrees with the singular verb. So we say she plays. She plays outside. Okay? All right. Now let's move on to the questions. What does he do on the weekend? What does he do on the weekend? So we can say a guy is, what is he doing? He he takes a nap. He takes a nap. So basically, taking a nap is just sleeping. So he takes a nap. We also added the S here, so it will become singular, a verb that agrees with the singular subject. What about this one? What does he do on the weekend? What does he do on the weekend? So the guy here is, what is he doing? He is watching TV. So the answer would be, he watches TV. He watches TV. So we also added the S here. So this came from the our vocabulary, which is watch TV, and we just added we added es. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. What does she do on the weekend? What does she do on the weekend? So you can see here a photo of a woman carrying some shopping bags. So she went shopping. So she goes shopping. She goes shopping. She goes shopping. All right? So this came from our vocabulary, which is uh, go shopping. So we just added es here, so it will agree with our singular subject. So when you say singular subject, those are she, he. So those are singular subject or singular pronoun. Okay. Now let's move on. Next question is, what does he do on the weekend? What does he do on the weekend? So a boy here is playing video games. So the answer is he plays video game. He plays video game. All right. Very good. What about this one? What does she do on the weekend? What does she do on the weekend? A girl here is playing the piano. So the answer would be she practices the piano. So you can see she is practicing the piano. She practices. Oh, sorry. Why is it violin here? So this is piano, okay? She practices the piano. So from our vocabulary, which was practice the piano, okay? So our sentence goes like this. She practices the piano. Practices the piano. Oh, so that is the end of our lesson 5. Did you guys learn something for today? You did? Okay, so I hope you did. So this will be the last lesson for this week's topic. So for now, goodbye and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.